Hello friends, welcome to my channel MB Crocheting Vandita Batra. In this video, I'm going to show you this pattern. You can see the beauty of this pattern. This is reversible pattern. You can make this pattern in 4 colors or 2 colors. You can't make this pattern in 3 colors. And you will see a very unique process to make this pattern. I'm sure you have never seen techniques and steps which I will share in this video with you. So let's start our video. For this pattern I'm using 4 ply wool, and with this I'm using 4 number crochet hook which is 2.5 mm. In this pattern you can use 2 colors or 4 colors. You can't use 1 and 3 and 5 colors. Let me show you. You can start with a slip knot or you can start like this also. Okay, I'm making 34 chains for this pattern. After 34 chains, skip very first chain and in the second chain make 1 double crochet, and chain 1. Skip 3 chains, 1 2 3. In fourth chain make 1 double crochet. Now make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and 1 double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, skip 3 chains, 1 2 3. In fourth chain make 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, and 1 double crochet in the same chain. This look like V stitch. Chain 1, skip 3 chains, in fourth chain make 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the same chain, chain 1, skip 3 chains, 1 2 3. In fourth chain 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the same chain. Repeat it till the end of this chain. In last chain 1, and we have left 3 chains. Skip 2 chains, in last chain make 1 double crochet like this. Now we will add the second color. Chain 1, turn over, make 1 double crochet in the first chain, now chain 1, and we'll make 1 double crochet into this chain, not from this space, not in the chains. We will make 1 double crochet in this where from we made the first double crochet like this. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and one more double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, make one double crochet in this chain like this. Chain 3, one double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, again one double crochet in the first chain, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, one double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, repeat the same process, 3 chains, one double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, and we will repeat the same till the end of this round. In last, chain 1 and one double crochet in the last chain or on the last double crochet. Chain 1. Here my second round is completed now. This will look like this. Now a very interesting thing, or very interesting step you will see here. There is no need to turn over for the next round. Interesting? Yes. Now on the same side, in the first chain, chain 1 and make one double crochet in the first chain. Chain 1. Now this is the main part of this pattern. You will see a chain between these two double crochets. This one, you can see, yeah, this gray chain. We will make double crochet into this space. You have to push in the upside like this, and in this space, which space you find after lifting this chain, make one double crochet, 3 chains and one double crochet in the same space. Chain 1, see, between these double crochets like this, and make space for the next double crochet. You will not make double crochets into this space or in this space. You will make double crochet into this space. Make one double crochet, chain 3 and one more double crochet in the same space. chain 1, see again, gray color chain, you have to push on upside and make double crochet into this space. Chain 3 and one more double crochet in the same space. You have to be very careful to make this V-stitch. This should be very clean. We will do the same. Make space for the next V-stitch. 1 double crochet, 3 chains and one more double crochet in the same space. Chain 1, one double crochet, chain 3, one double crochet, chain 1, one double crochet, chain 3 and one double crochet in the same space. Chain 1, just make space for the next V-stitch to lift this chain. 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the same space, chain 1. Now in last, this is also very interesting step. Make 1 double crochet so that I have take this yarn on the hook like this, and in the last second chain take this circle into the hook and hold it here and make double crochet and stretch here like this, and here my 3 rounds has been completed. Now change the color here, turn over, make 1 double crochet in the first chain, chain 1 and we'll make V-stitch to make a space to lift this chain, this cream color chain. Make 1 double crochet, chain 3 and 1 double crochet in the same space, chain 1. One double crochet, 3 chains and 1 double crochet in the same space. Chain 1, and we will repeat the same process to make this pattern, and you will find the result this, and I'm sure you will be very happy and you'll love this pattern. You can make blankets, shawl, whatever you want to make this with this pattern. I hope you like this video, so please like my video and share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.